Train grade to me.
No,
Not like, you know.
whatever they did wasn't quite enough.
Yeah, but he's done the smart thing and he's pulled right out of the way, so they'll be able to get the train. Alex Little looking on the floor and put they were there.
Very, very honest.
Oh, Roddy Salter.
What are you doing out there, Rollers?
Yeah, I think he got run a little bit out of room there by talking to the train. The whole slippery out there when you're off the racing line.
But winter on the grass through the day, so then they head down to Higgins. They've got, only 2 laps to go.
Yeah, they may have shortened it up a bit with the red flag there. Oh, Mike Collins maybe trying to think getting inside Alex. Still very right on him. Might get the first gun to get the final corner.
How do we there's a lot of smoke there. Yes, it's not good news.
No,
And it's gone to white. Where they come.
Finally, probably looking to try and make it.
And that's the Formula, the Toyota Racing Series.
Yep, Brett Collins was,
I thought it was.
he was the original champion of the first series of that class. His bones have been international, driven the best since 12 hour and also other high performance and big classes like that. So,
So the white smoke
well, it could be a failed turbo or a
generally or
appropriate detector of some sort of fuel issue, but
it's been a new post.
yeah. Oh, luckily their bones gets out of the grass and back onto the track, so we don't have another stoppage, but
No, we don't lose. It should be something else. We don't have the impression down there.
they've got the time of year, so 1 week to go to.
One to go. Coming round this time. Before we will have passed us, they 125, 661. Oh,
594. Something's exploded in the rear end, I think. Possibly a drive shaft or something.
That's pulling off.
Something comes flying out the back there.
It wasn't the wing, was it?
Nah, it was something quite substantial. Looked like a drive shaft or a pinion out of a zip or something. It wasn't very good, but with 1 lap to go, I guess they'll finish this race possibly under the... I've broken it over the finish line, so it's not well there to finish it. We've got a win.
Yeah.
Something comes flying off. It's lucky it didn't bounce up actually and go through a windscreen. It was luckily it stayed at the ground. Otherwise it bounced along. But hopefully it's not too damaged or anything. They can bolt the piece on for tomorrow.
There's been no shortage of drama, is there?
No.
There's Ron Soldier through the S's, there's Bones Collins,